The Glen M. and Edith Averill House is a historic building located in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, United States. Designed by local architectural firm Josselyn Taylor, it was completed in 1906 in a combination of the Queen Anne style and the American Craftsman style. It replaced a smaller house that was located on its original lot at 1113 2nd Avenue, Southeast. The Averills lived here until 1913, when they moved into a new residence and rented out this home. In 1924, this house was sold to the Phi Alpha Pi fraternity. Later, the house was divided into apartments, and it was then used by several different businesses. St. Luke's Hospital acquired this and several other houses for a new medical pavilion. It was bought by Charles Jones and saved from being torn down. The house was moved to its current location on 4th Avenue, Southeast, and renovated according to the Secretary of the Interior's standards for rehabilitation. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2015. References: